Only by learning mathematics, you can understand the symbols and words which are used in mathematics. Mathematics learning helps think alternative methods for solving problem not only in the subject as well as in your life situation. Using logical or illogical reasons, we can conclude or we can draw conclusion which is perfect and correct. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. So this is Shruti lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysore. So in our previous session, I have introduced the subject of mathematics. We have learnt evidences, proof of the existence of mathematics from various civilizations from the early Stone Age to the present 21st century. Now, in this session, I'll be explaining about the nature of mathematics and needs and significance of mathematics, as well as what are the skills you develop while studying the mathematics. So, we'll start with nature of mathematics. So, first one, mathematics is a science of discovery. So what is the science of discovery? It gives an easy and early opportunity to make independent discoveries. It is the discovery of relationship and expressions through the symbolic form. Second, mathematics is an intellectual game. So what is mathematics? Why it is a game? Because it is related to puzzles, paradoxes, and as well as the problem solving techniques. Mathematics is a tool subject. So it has its own integrity, its beauty and its structure and many other features inside it. So it is a toolkit for you and also the base for many other subjects: physics, chemistry, bio, computer science, and etc. So it is a toolkit. Mathematics involves an intuitive method. So the study of mathematics subject is nothing but development of intuition. So intuition is nothing but the rules which are stated before any operations are introduced. So therefore, the learning mathematics develops your way of intuition. Next, it has its own language and symbol. The concept of mathematics do have its own symbols and language. So it is not as easy to understand. That is, everybody cannot understand because it has its own symbol. Only by learning mathematics, you can understand the symbols and words which are used in mathematics. Next, it is an abstract science. You cannot see, you cannot feel, or you cannot touch mathematics because it is abstract to the physical world. But the experience in learning mathematics is wide, far away from this abstract concept. Next, mathematics is a logic. So logic is a very important thing which is nothing but mathematics. It is an important factor. So logic is nothing but mathematics. So it gives the very deductive proof method to various problems also. Next, mathematics deals with art of drawing conclusion. So anything stated will have a conclusion, and that is a right and wrong. Using logical or illogical reasons, we can conclude or we can draw conclusion which is perfect and correct. So every problem has a solution in mathematics as well as in life situations. Next, we come across the needs and significance in learning mathematics. Why we should learn mathematics? So mathematics learning helps us to apply mathematical concepts and theorems to the new situation in the subject as well as the life. Mathematics provide a clear understanding of laws of nature. Next, mathematics helps in clear understanding of the culture and the development of our civilization. Next, mathematics learning helps think alternative methods for solving problem not only in the subject as well as in your life situation. So it is a powerful in the hands of learners. So it is a tool in the hands of the learners. Also, it helps learning the better understanding about the world around us. Next, we'll see what are the life skills which you are going to develop when you study mathematics. It improves First, it improves your critical thinking. So, critical thinking means the skill of analysis of complex situation, using logical reasoning, understand the situations, take appropriate actions and make interpretations and inferences. So, the skill of creative thinking improves when you learn mathematics. Problem solving, the technique of problem solving, that is skills in analysis and understanding the problem, evaluating in various way and using the best option to solve the problems. So the problems here is not only related to the subject, this is nothing but these are the skills I have mentioned here, life skills which you will get when you learn mathematics. So next is analytical thinking, the skill of solving problem quickly and effectively using visual thinking ability. So this increases your analytical thinking also. Next, quantitative reasoning. So what do you mean by quantitative reasoning? So analyzing the situation, applying and understanding basic and elementary needs for solving reasoning problems, quantitatively. Next, time management. So learning mathematics helps you in prioritizing work, managing time effectively. Also, logical argument and illogical argument. So, skills in analyzing the situation through logical and illogical errors. So, logical means you support the conclusion which is true. Illogical reasoning means you support the conclusion which is false. So, the ability to the argument increases in learning mathematics. So, in today's session, we have learned what are the nature of mathematics, why we need to study mathematics, and what are the life skills you will develop when you learn mathematics. So I hope you enjoyed this session. I'll conclude the session by saying that you should learn mathematics, you should enjoy learning mathematics so that your life skills will better to improve. So we'll meet you in the next class. Until then, take care. Keep watching, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you.